Hi guys, Darren from venomfluidart. Thank you so much for joining me today on the Fluid Art Express. Up first, you would have seen our very special guest this week, Sheila Anderson from Sheila Anderson Art. Absolutely amazing artist. If you missed her, there's a link in the description. Go check her out, give her some love. She's awesome. After me, we've got Christy from Creations by Christy. Then Shannon from Shanby Fluid Art. And last but not least, Bubbles from Venom Fluid Art. So, stick around, enjoy the ride. So what I decided to do today was have a bit of fun with some marble backgrounds. This one here you see on the screen has all interference pigments for the background. And in the other ones, I've just used normal paint. So, kick back, relax, and enjoy the ride, and I'll see you at the end.
I'm focused. I've been watching for the omens. I've been listening to everything you said. It's been running through my head, locked and loaded. I got the feeling that you know it. Yeah, I've only just begun. I won't stop until it's done, till you're broken. So welcome to the fire. I'm the one with the liar. Feel it burning through your veins as we're walking through the flames, getting higher. So welcome to the fire. Welcome to the fire. Feel it burning through your veins as we're walking through the flames, getting higher. So welcome to the fire. I've been waiting for this moment, the final battle of the chosen. See, I'm never gonna quit, got my legacy set in motion. to the fire. 'Cause the bigger they are, the harder they fall. You build your fortress and I'll climb your walls. You got your armor, but I see your flaws. So welcome to the fire. I'm the one with the liar. Feel it burning through your veins as we're walking through the flames, getting higher. So welcome to the fire. Welcome to the fire. Feel it burning through your veins as we're walking through the flames, getting higher. Bigger they are, the harder they fall. Legend has it we could be legends, etched in the stone, forever on thrones. History's made in the moments. Heroes collide, it's all on the line, with our backs against the wall. We came to fight. We came to take what was meant to be ours. There's no place to hide. Yeah, it's written all over the stars. Nothing will stop us against all the odds. But just like we promised, we came to fight. 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 Yeah, we came to fight. 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 Yeah, we came to fight. We came to fight. We came to take what was meant to be ours. There's no place to hide. Yeah, it's written all over the stars. Nothing will stop us against all the odds. But just like we promised, we came to fight. 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 Yeah, we came to fight. 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 Yeah, we came to fight. Circle our victims like lions. You fear, I can smell. You're afraid, I can tell. We're made to be more than just human. Born to defend, yeah, we're aimed to the end with their backs against the wall. We came to fight. We came to take what was meant to be ours. There's no place to hide. Yeah, it's written all over the stars. Nothing will stop us against all the odds. But just like we promised, we came to fight. 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 Yeah, we came to fight. 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 Yeah, we came to fight. We'll be remembered for this. They'll tell our stories of battles and glories, the ones that nobody forgets. Yeah, we'll be remembered for this. We came to fight. We came to take what was meant to be ours. There's no place to hide. Yeah, it's written all over the stars. Nothing will stop us against all the odds. But just like we promised, we came to fight. tablets that fade away, but we will remain. Oh, look what we done, the wars that we won. We rise like the sun, but don't go down. I want it all, I want it all. So long live the king, long live the empire. Yeah, I'll wear the crown till the world is burned down. I am king, this is my empire. I live for the sound as it moves through the crowd, say it. King, 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 long live the kingdoms will fall to mine is the only one, written in stars like a sign of glory to come. Come. Oh, look what we've done, the wars that we won. We rise like the sun, but it won't go down. I want it all.
Alright, we'll do a flyover of that one. I just love the way those interference pigments just pop. Super sneaky, especially on a white background. So once that hits the light, they all appear. Absolutely love it. Alright, up next we've got Christy from Creations by Christy. If you click on her name in the title of the video, it'll take you to her YouTube channel. If you're in the live chat, click on the link that I put in there, it'll take you to her premiere for today. Or if you're a member of Paint Boring by venomfluidart on Facebook, use the play all list, that way you get to see everybody on the Express, one after another, and you don't get lost. I'd just like to say thank you very much, Shelley, for being our very special guest this week. Absolutely awesome, as always. So, go check her out, guys. You'll love her. Alright, that's it from me. So have fun, take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.
Let's raise a glass to the king. Long